Do you know the reason why the ink just magically disappear like that? Well, erasable pens almost feel like magic, but the truth is, it's actually chemistry happening right in front of us. Today, we are going to reveal the hidden chemistry behind erasable pens and explain how temperature can make ink disappear and reappear.
The ink inside erasable pens contains special heat-sensitive chemical called thermochromic dyes. At normal temperature, the chemicals stay connect, which is why we can see the ink color clearly on the paper. These dyes are specially designed to react when the temperature changes and are the main reason erasable pens can appear to erase writing without actually removing the ink.
But when we rub the paper with the eraser tip or blow it with a hairdryer, friction creates heat that affects the ink and causes it to become invisible. The heat changes the arrangement of the chemical inside the thermochromic dye, making the color suddenly disappear. It may look like the ink has been erased, but the ink is actually still there on the paper. The ink color only becomes hidden because of the temperature change.
And here the coolest part. If we make the paper cold again, like by rubbing ice on it or putting it in a freezer, the chemical reconnect and the ink reappear. So the main factor controlling this reaction is temperature. Heat high the ink while cold temperature bring the color back again. This topic also connects to climate change because thermochromic ink is very sensitive to temperature. As global temperature continues to rise, heat-sensitive material can react more easily in the environment. For example, warmer ocean temperature caused by climate change can lead to coral bleaching, where coral lose their color because heat affects the tiny organisms living inside them. Similar to thermochromic ink, temperature change can affect chemical and biological systems, showing how chemistry is connected to environment and our everyday life.
Erasable pens are important because they show how chemistry can be used in everyday life. The ink uses heat-sensitive chemicals called thermochromic dyes that react to temperature changes. When heat is produced by frictions, the ink disappears. And when the temperature becomes cold again, the ink can reappear. This technology is not only used in erasable pens, but also in things like thermometers, rulings, and temperature sensors. Studying this topic helps us understand how chemical reactions and temperature can affect material around us.